Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 3T, then 4G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this ALCATEL. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Security. Then select Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. After that, you need to create it, tap on Next, and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then click on Confirm. Over here, you need to select the best option for your notifications on locked screen. I don't want any, so I will go with Don't show any notification and tap on Done. Now, when I switch off my screen and then switch it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!